What's up, guys? How are you doing? I'm sure you're good. Now, this tutorial, I'm going to be looking at shadow effects. Shadow effects. Yeah. There are some items you need to drop shadow on to make them look real. You understand? To make the item look real. Like all these products items. Now, there are many ways to get a shadow done. Many ways. What I'm going to show you on this tutorial is going to be three ways to drop shadow on item. Now, dropping shadow on your item, you can compare the way you drop shadow on this item with this item. You get what I'm saying? Not talk of this item. So now, looking at these three items we have in different background, different location. So how do we drop shadow on this? You understand? So I'm sure you guys are curious on how it's done. So let's get along where I do this step by step, do my explanation, analyze it. I would like you guys to get some of these items to practice. Get some, if not all. And you might not get the exact picture, but I get my picture from pixel.com. I will drop the link in the video once I'm done. So you can just click on it, find your way out, and get the picture. So let's get to it. Okay, this is the first one. Here we have the picture. You can see that there's a background in the picture. So I'm going to try and remove the background right now. So make it as if it's not on anything. So I'm going to duplicate the picture, select, and pick the subject. So now the subject is being picked, but this pick some items on it, like all these green iron stuff. So I'm going to remove those things. So I use my tool, quick one. So here you can see that we have to subtract all the blocks. So I'm not using subtract right now, but I have to subtract some areas of my subject. Now I have my subject. Yeah. Right now it's looking like it's on the air. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to get a new layer. Or I can just click on the solid color. Automatically it gives you a new layer. So I'm going to choose light yellow and choose yellow color. But just go for the light yellow. So you can get the effect I want to use. This. So okay, now I'm going to have a new layer. Somewhere I'm going to use brush. Yes, we use brush. The brush might not look like this because you're maybe search or maybe you're not practicing search. These are your brush looks like. So right now, what I need is that I need this. I don't need that shadow to be big. You can see this one. I just need a very tiny light shadow. So I'm going to make this very tiny. So once I've done that, Here you can put any color you like. See? Or here I'm going for this. Now I'm going to change the opacity. Reduce it. Now, slowly. Let's get that. Let me see. It's perfect right now. As you can see, yeah, yellow. So now this yellow, you can change it to any color you like. See the effects. Yeah. Now, just get done with our first shadow effect. So you can see how long it takes all the process due to item having a background that goes along the background. Make it pure on the air. So we're able to achieve that.